Hello everyone, welcome to the course of mobile application development. In today's class, we are going to learn a new concept called creating Android resources. So in the previous video of the creating Android resources, we have already seen the drawables and different types of XML files used in drawables, right? So this particular session will be covering simple values, which includes colors, styles, dimensions, strings, etc., etc. Okay. So coming to the simple values in the creating resources. So the RES, so here RES stands for resources or the values folder is used to store the values for the resources that are used in many Android projects. So these will be including features such as colors, styles, dimensions, etc. So coming to the first topic, colors.xml. So this is an XML file which is used to store the colors for the resources. So generally, this particular Android project of colors.xml will be segregated or categorized into colors primary dark, and colors accent. So let's see what are the primary colors. Generally, we have primary colors like RGB, red, green, and blue. And not only that, we have another primary color set like red, yellow, and blue. Okay. So these are the primary colors. So coming to the darker versions of these primary colors will be color primary dark. So either you can use color primary or color primary dark XML files. And coming to the color accent, these are the most of the various colors which can be applied to our application or an app which we are developing. And coming to the accent colors, we have yellow, moody purple, chocolate brown, lime green, charcoal gray, smoky blue or gray, teal, and aqua. And so in order to apply these colors to the application or an app, we have few tags or the commands where we will be considering in this way. So if at all you want to give or assign a primary color, so color name equal to under the quotes we have color primary. This is how we assign a primary color with respect to the color name. Now, if at all you want to apply darker version, so color name equal to color primary dark is applied over here. So for the color accent, color name equal to color accent is applied as a tag. And if at all you want to provide color for the text, so the color name equal to text underscore color is applied as a tag. Now, coming to the dimens.xml, so this is completely an XML related to the dimensions of an application. So generally, whenever we are trying to design an app or an application, so this app will be having different types of headers, footers, and types of buttons, types of layouts will be, the measurements of all these things will be of various sizes. So every time we assign a new tab or a new button or a new box or anything else. Okay, so we need to assign a dimension to that. It can be a vertical margin or a horizontal margin. So you need to assign a dimensions, and the dimensions will be given with respect to like this. So diamond name equal to activity underscore horizontal underscore margin. So here this particular activity, the horizontal margin what we are assigning is 16 dp. So here dp indicates density per pixels. Now coming to the diamond name equal to activity vertical margin, for the vertical margin we are assigning 16 dp again, where again dp here indicates density per pixel. So the navigation header for the vertical spacing we have taken 8 density per pixels, and the navigation header height we have taken 176 density per pixel. So if you see the screen over here, so any tab, it can be a header, footer, layout, or the text boxes, buttons, each and everything, as I've already said, it need to have its own dimensions or the measurements while designing this particular. So see here, so the tab what we are observing here will be having some back button, next button, playback. We have some tabs like home, playlist, favorites, radio. All these buttons will be having their unique shape and unique size as well as unique dimensions. Okay, this is the user interface, how we generally create with respect to the dimensions. Next topic, coming to the strings.xml. So one of the most important and widely used values file is strings.xml. So this is applicable in the Android project. So if at all you want to give any kind of name, a string generally called as a group of characters, right? So strings.xml, so string name equal to app name. So we have already given workshop is an app name, which we have given. Okay, so string name equal to under the quotes app underscore name. This is how we apply an application name with respect to strings.xml. Suppose you want to use some settings. Also, if you want to apply settings, string name equal to action underscore settings. Now, if you want to put some date, a string called date. So string name equal to date will be given. If you want to put some string called timings, so string name equal to timings is considered. Now coming to the styles.xml, this is the complete called as a theme of an application or an app. Oh, so styles.xml is the file which completely shows the theme of an application. Now the theme is by default considered in two types. One is the dark mode as well as light mode, or else we can say it as dark theme or light theme. So if you want to apply some dark theme to an app, so this is the commands we generally come across. Style name equal to underscore, under the quotes, app theme dot app bar overlay. So parent equal to under the quotes, theme overlay dot app compat dot dark dot action bar. So this is the commands we apply for an dark theme or an dark style. Okay, so coming to the light theme or the light style, style name equal to app theme dot pop up overlay, and the parent what we are considering is theme overlay dot app compact dot light. This is the lighter theme or the lighter version which we can apply for the pop up with respect to the theme. Okay, so here app compact stands for application compatibility. So if you see the user interface over here, you can see the dark theme at the left side and the light theme at the right side.